Alright, you holding?
Yeah.
Ah, he's still coming out of there.
Ah, you pee your pants. Be my friend.
So we got a furnace here that has a, what do you think it is, a wasp nest?
Probably a mud dog.
Mud dauber?
And it's not burning correct.
It's actually stopped up somewhere in the heating chamber.
They're gonna take the burner out of it. Sometimes the burners will be dirty, but this burner
It
is
looks
complete.
clean.
The burner's fine.
Yeah.
So
So there's just a blockage somewhere in there.
We're gonna get it.
So we're gonna do, this right here is actually made to pop rims on tires, so it's super high pressure, air it up, and then you
I've got a
just
cap over
release the
cap.
pressure really quick. So we're gonna try to use this to blow whatever blockage is in there out.
That's been malfunctioning for a while.
That will almost fit directly in there.
We're gonna have to just
It's close. This thing's gonna have so much force, I don't think it would matter. If we were standing on the other side,
well, if we put that exhaust pipe up in there and have it down into the trash can, that would
be best.
help.
Whatever's in there is coming out.
Yeah.
What's the pressure at on the gauge?
I filled it up to 90.
Oh boy.
I wouldn't be standing back there.
Yeah.
Let's
Well, Chris, I'll put it up here. Do you want to operate the handle and I'll hold on to the
yeah.
the
You wanna, or we could do this. Why don't we scoot it back and try to set this and this on the cart both, and that way nobody's sitting directly in front of it.
well, it's gonna be blowing out against
That's okay.
against the tank anyway.
Break a man's heel.
What's that?
Break a man's heel.
No, we ain't gonna do that. Watch your eyes, fellas.
I got my glasses on here, sunglasses. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh,
What was it?
wow.
My ears are ringing.
You didn't get it all, Chris.
Let's
You
do it
gotta-
again. Man, that's insane.
Yeah, it reeks.
I smell like a homeless person. Yeah, look at that.
Broke it
Yep.
That's crazy.
I come up with a good idea every now and then. Man, it like vaporized that
I've
thing.
seen on my turkey cooker. I've seen one strand of a spider web miss the flame.
All right, you holding?
Yeah.
Ah, he's still coming out of there.
Ah, you pee your pants. Be my friend.
See what happens. I love it. That's awesome.
Sounds normal, though, don't it?
Yep. There we go, fixed. Just had to blow it out.
It's coming even, but hey, Snut,
Yeah,
wouldn't you say?
let's let it sit there and run a little
Yeah.
bit. to put a "Do not try this at home" disclaimer on the video. Yeah.
Take a picture of your paint.
Yeah. If you do, this or worse will happen.
This one knocked out.
Oh my gosh. It was like painful, honestly. All right, so we've got the Highland Ridge rep coming at 2 o'clock today. I'm super excited to meet this guy. He's got like this, maybe it's a Facebook channel where he's doing like, I think the name of his channel is just 360 RV videos or something like that, but it'll be fun talking to him. We'll have to get that on camera. I gotta go over our inventory list and see what all we've got to get listed. I've made up my mind. We're gonna have to hire a service writer and a warranty clerk. We're just too busy. I gotta work on social media posts with April, and here any second we gotta go deliver Carl Saby's open range, and then we gotta finish up the camera on this backup camera. These customers are gonna be coming in tomorrow. I would say let's go check on Joe.
Contacts 2020. What's he working on?
Open range, trying to get it out. You probably wouldn't be too happy if we went over there and filmed, so you gotta respect that.
Yeah.
Use one of those,
Okay.
or this one's got 4. I guess it just depends on whichever one will fit the housing the best.
The 4 pins are ground, power, and then video.
Then these right here more than likely have audio. That's why they have
Yeah.
more pins. But this is perimeter view, so it's more high-end. So this is probably our best bet.
Yep, I totally agree. All right, this is perfect. This will work. The good thing is I can cut and splice all this together. As long as there's wires going from the front to the back, we're good.
He's an old school shirt.
This is where it all began, right here. All right, here we go again. I don't even know where we're going. I'm just not in the mood to do this today. It's just been one of those days. Screw it, we're going to Chucky.